We got the banded hip hinge here. We want the band wrapped around the waist, just below the belly. We want to walk it out, really plant your feet, walk it out, find that tension. You want the band to pull your butt back to find that really good hip hinge. Instead of just bending over, you want your butt to go back with the band. Try and get to the bottom to make a tabletop back and drive back through with the hips. If you need to find a little more tension, you can walk it out a little bit more to really help pull those hips back, pull that butt back.